welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sonia, and I would love for you guys to come and subscribe to this channel. Today's video, I will be cleaning the stove off inside and out, show you guys. And if I have time and I'm filled up with the energy, I will go ahead and do my dishwasher as well. So I hope that you guys are going to enjoy this video, because I know you will. By giving it a thumbs up, let me know that you have enjoyed it. And please, guys, share this video with everyone, okay? So I'm going to try out this new product that I have here. And it's called the, I don't know if you ever heard of this, the Scrub Mommy Plus. So I'm going to try this on the stove. I heard that it is very good, a good product. So I'm going to give it a try for the top of the stove and everything. And it comes with this little scrub brush here. It's hard on this side and then it's soft on this side here. And it came together, I think it was like $9.99. I got it from Walmart. I am not sponsored by this, but I'm just showing it to you guys for the very first time. So again, I have already sprayed my stove off with this Easy Off, and we're gonna go ahead and get started with it. Hey y'all, today's video I will be cleaning with Tama. I want you guys to go and check her out on her channel. She is a stay-home mom to one amazing son, and she is a wife, and she is also a caregiver to her elderly parents. And on her channel you'll find loads of cleaning motivation, meal prep, grocery hauls, and so much more. And when you go over to her channel, please let her know that About Sonia sent you over there to her channel. So guys, let's get started with the next part of my video. Okay, so I'm going to use my self-cleaning oven. I haven't used it in a while, and the reason why I haven't used it, because it gives off this strong odor, and it takes our breath away, especially my daughter who has asthma. So it's not good for her, but today I decided to do it because, first of all, you saw that big spot down at the bottom of the oven. I don't know what that was. Somebody spilled something, but they didn't even pick it up. So it just sat there, and I was like, I can't take this no more. Let me get in here and get this thing started. So I put it on speed clean. I'm going to put it on for a little bit, and then I'm going to spray the Easy Off oven spray on it, and just to try to get this stuff up.
see the oven is a little bit dark, that's because I unplugged it from the back because I wanted to give it a deep scrub, and I'm using some Brillo pads and other items, and I just didn't want to get shocked. I don't know if you can, but for safety reasons, I unplugged it so you guys can see how I'm really giving this a deep scrub. I hope that you guys are being inspired by this video. If you so, give it a thumbs up right now and share this video with everyone. Let's continue going into this video.
break down all your memories. Feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lights on the answer. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. We got everything,
All right, guys, so I finished braiding her hair. As you can see here, you spin around for me. You didn't do your edges.
I know, my edge control was bad.
Oh my gosh, she didn't do her edges, but she did a natural hairstyle, no weave in it. And then I'm gonna go and finish up the kitchen.
No, you can show them these.
Oh, we're not finished, so she's gonna add on these accessories to them. These are really nice.
I like this one. You see it?
Oh yeah,
Did I get those?
that's the one you had before.
Oh, this one? Oh, I grabbed the wrong one. Or she gave me the wrong one, but it's okay. There was one with the heart, and then it was like a C, almost like a Chanel type
That's
thing.
cute, guys. I did good, right? I haven't braided her hair since she turned how old?
I don't know, but you know my eyes are sensitive with that
Oh
light.
yeah. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the stove. Guys, it is the next day. I was a little bit tired. I did not want to do the rest of the house. So now I'm going to go ahead and tackle this dishwasher out. As you can see, sometimes it gets so flooded with water down here. I got to get all that out first. And then I'm going to show you how I clean it. Okay?
when you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day. Well, that's not okay. We can never go back this road. You never
Okay guys, so I saw this hack on TikTok. They say you pour vinegar in a bowl and put it on your top shelf of your dishwasher, and then you take another bowl and fill it up with baking soda and put it on your bottom shelf of the dishwasher, and then you run it on its highest cycle, and then it cleanses by itself. So we're going to give this a shot, and I'll let you guys know how it looks later on in the video. Before I get cleaning the refrigerator, I'm going to mix my homemade solution, which I will be putting in some vinegar, a little bit of vinegar with some Dawn dish detergent, and along with that I will put some baking soda in it and fill this bottle up that I had before with some warm, hot tap water, hot as you can bear it. And this is just a natural cleansing if you don't want those chemicals like using Clorox sprays and different things like that. So this is a very good. Sorry guys about the angle of this video. It is a very tight spot, so I'm trying to give you the best angle as I possibly can. So you guys, I know you noticed that I did not clean this bottom bin. This belongs to my husband. This is all the things that he takes to work for snacks and different things like that. So I just let him go through that, and whatever need to be replenished, we replenish.